250 miles above the Earth, suspended in the silent blackness of orbit, drifts one of humanity's most extraordinary achievements, the International Space Station. It moves at 28,000 kilometers per hour, circling our planet every 90 minutes. To the naked eye, it appears as a bright dot gliding through twilight, a mere spark of light. But within that glimmer lies a cathedral of science, a monument to cooperation, and perhaps a glimpse of humanity's future. Constructed piece by piece in the vacuum of space, the ISS is more than a spacecraft. It is a laboratory beyond gravity, where the fundamental rules of nature are tested in ways impossible on Earth. Here, floating weightless, researchers conduct experiments that could transform medicine, materials, energy, and even our understanding of life itself. The story of the ISS is one of daring and perseverance, a project that united nations once divided by politics and war. In this orbital outpost, astronauts from across the globe work side by side, representing the shared dream of discovery that transcends borders. But the real legacy of the ISS may not lie in the stars. It may lie in how this space-based laboratory helps us solve problems on Earth, problems of health, environment, and survival. Because what we learn up there could define the future down here. Inside the International Space Station, the rules of existence change. Astronauts float effortlessly, tools drift in midair, and droplets of water form perfect spheres that glide through the cabin like crystal marbles. This is microgravity, a state where objects experience continuous free fall around Earth, creating the sensation of weightlessness. In this unique environment, scientists can separate gravity from every other physical force, revealing hidden processes that are masked on Earth. Flames behave differently. Cells grow differently. Crystals form more perfectly. Even the human body itself becomes a living experiment. Microgravity allows researchers to study the fundamentals of matter and motion, to understand how heat, fluids, and biological systems behave without gravity's constant pull. On Earth, heavy elements sink, heat rises, and blood pools, all governed by gravity. In orbit, those biases vanish, exposing the pure behavior of nature. This microgravity lab has become a testbed for innovation. By watching how tiny particles clump, how metal alloys solidify, how protein crystals arrange themselves in space, scientists are uncovering insights that could revolutionize everything from medicine to manufacturing. The ISS isn't just floating above Earth. It's a lens through which we can see the hidden mechanics of reality itself. The discoveries made aboard the ISS reach into every corner of modern science. In medicine, the study of protein crystal growth has opened new pathways to design drugs that treat cancer, diabetes, and immune disorders. In microgravity, crystals grow larger and purer, allowing researchers to map their structures with unprecedented accuracy, a crucial step in designing therapies that target disease at the molecular level. In materials science, alloys formed in space cool without the distortions of gravity-driven convection. These experiments lead to stronger, lighter metals and improved manufacturing techniques that can benefit everything from aerospace engineering to sustainable construction on Earth. In biology, the ISS serves as a natural stress test for life itself. Astronauts endure bone loss, muscle atrophy, and immune shifts, all vital data for understanding aging, osteoporosis, and degenerative diseases. What happens to the human body in orbit reflects what happens as we age on Earth, only faster and more dramatically. Even plant research thrives in orbit. By growing crops in microgravity, scientists learn how plants sense direction, how roots orient without up or down, and how future explorers might grow food on Mars or the Moon. The ISS has become not just a science station, but a mirror of Earth's own ecosystems, a place where we can study life under new rules and use that knowledge to preserve it back home. Every experiment is a seed planted in orbit, but destined to take root on Earth. Yet keeping this laboratory alive is no simple task. Every day, the ISS faces the threats of micrometeoroids, radiation, and time itself. Its structure, assembled over 2 decades, demands constant maintenance and vigilance. Life in orbit is hard. Astronauts work long hours in confined quarters, endure months away from family, and rely on precision systems that cannot fail. Every sunrise and sunset, 16 each day, remind them that space is both breathtaking and unforgiving. But despite its fragility, the ISS endures, proof of what humanity can achieve when united by purpose. It stands as the longest continuously inhabited structure in space, a floating city where every breath, every heartbeat, and every experiment adds to a legacy that will outlive it. As it nears the end of its operational life, plans are forming for what comes next. Commercial space stations, international research outposts, lunar gateways orbiting the Moon. The ISS has paved the way. Its lessons will guide the design, safety, and purpose of every future platform. The next generation of space laboratories may be smaller, cheaper, and more specialized, but they will all owe their existence to the ISS. This station was our first classroom in orbit, our testbed for humanity's expansion into the solar system. When it finally retires, the ISS will burn in Earth's atmosphere, a fiery farewell visible to those who once looked up and dreamed. But its knowledge, its discoveries, and its legacy will remain in every laboratory, hospital, and classroom below. The ISS is more than steel and solar panels. It is a symbol of collaboration, endurance, and faith in the human spirit. For more than 2 decades, it has reminded us that the pursuit of knowledge is not limited by gravity or nationality. Every discovery made aboard the ISS reflects back upon us, revealing that the boundary between space and Earth is an illusion. The same physics that shape the orbits of satellites govern the flow of blood, the growth of plants, the stability of climate. In studying the universe beyond, we come to understand our own world more deeply. Perhaps that is the ISS's true purpose, not to escape Earth, but to protect it, to use its unique vantage point to study climate change, natural disasters, and atmospheric processes from above, to remind us that our planet, fragile, blue, and beautiful, is itself a kind of spacecraft, carrying us all through the cosmic dark. One day, humans will build outposts on the Moon, Mars, and beyond. Those future explorers will look back on the ISS as the first great step, the place where we learned how to live, work, and dream in space. And as they venture farther, they will carry with them the lessons of this orbital laboratory, that science is the bridge between what is and what can be. That cooperation, not competition, propels humanity forward. That in understanding how life endures in the weightlessness of orbit, we may learn how to sustain it on the only home we've ever known. Because in the end, the International Space Station is not just about the future of space exploration. It's about unlocking Earth's own future, using the silence of space to better hear the heartbeat of the world below.